Immaculate and charming rancher in desirable Bailey Park Subdivision off Northshore in West Knox. Inviting front porch with open floor plan and vaulted ceiling with lots of natural light. Spacious master suite with new walk-in shower and sizable master closet. This lovely home features split bedrooms, fireplace and oversized 2-car garage. Added features are upgraded carpet, Vivint Smart home security and water softener system, and lots of love and care. Enjoy the large deck overlooking the level backyard for family time. Seller is offering 1-year 2 to 10 home buyers warranty at closing. Washer/dryer and a 2021 Whirlpool stainless steel refrigerator will convey with the property.